what it is and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back to Beard Talk with Matt. Today we're in for a treat as we got the tremendous, the infamous, the 1912 Bastard. Stay tuned. And welcome back, and thanks for staying tuned. Like I said before, we are in for a treat. I have a review on the 1912 Bastard. So, let me tell you about the owner. David, aka Mr. Luxurious, is the owner. He created his company back in 2017. He makes, smells, and tests and bottles everything he sells. And let me tell you, he's a tremendous person. He's a tremendous guy. If you haven't had a conversation with him, you need to, because he truly is a great guy to talk to. He cares about his products, he cares about the customer, and he wants to know what you think. And he makes high quality products that won't break your bank. It won't break your wallet. You heard that? It won't break your wallet. So you gotta go and check it out. So he has just about everything on his website that you need and want for your beard journey. He has oils, he has balms, he has co-washes, he has combs, he has pine tar soap, he even has a Piro. He has a hat that I've been trying to get, and every time I check it out, it is sold out. Everyone keeps buying it. I feel like Matt is the only one that doesn't have it. I need one. I need to figure out when they come back in stock. So I gotta rock a hat. Anyways, let me tell you about this 1912 Bastard. I have the oil and the balm. Both these go for $15, which is an absolutely amazing price. A 2-ounce balm and a 1-ounce oil for this high quality of products and the ingredients he uses. I can't even explain how great of a deal this is. This is absolutely amazing. So let me get into the ingredients and then we'll get into the scent. So in the 1912 Bastard, and most of all his carrier oils are the same, if they're not all the same, we have almond oil, avocado oil, rich brand oil, hazelnut oil, hemp seed oil, apricot oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, a vitamin E, and a luxurious essential blend oil. He doesn't tell you what exactly the essential blend is in any of his products. He tries to paint a picture with his description, and you know, I'm sitting there, I'm smelling it, and I'm reading his description, and I feel like I'm picturing it myself. He does a great job trying to paint a picture of what his products smell like, and he wants you to paint your own picture as well. So I'm going to try my best to paint a picture, but his scents are so complex and so tremendous, I don't know if I can do it justice, to be honest with everyone, but I'm going to certainly try. So, as you can see, it's a green bottle. One of my only green bottles, and I absolutely love it. The logo on there is fantastic. It's awesome. That's definitely why I definitely want a hat. So, shake it up a little bit. It's about a light to medium yellow tint. It's definitely a medium thickness oil in my opinion. And the smell, let's get to that. Oh man, this stuff is absolutely amazing. So what I get from it is a little bit of sweetness. I feel like I get a little bit of coffee. It's not like one of those bitter coffees. It's definitely a sweet coffee. That's probably where the sweetness comes from. And I definitely get some tobacco, like a sweet tobacco, kind of like a cigar type smell maybe. Maybe something like that. It's a sweet. It's definitely a sweetness. And I feel like I kind of get a little woods in there, woodsy something. But, you know, that could be like the tobacco or something. But the complexity of this oil is absolutely fantastic. I love it. And let me tell you, this scent right here lasts all day. I get up every day at 5 a.m. Monday through Friday to go to work. I put oil in at 5:30, start working at 6. I work till about 2:33, and then I come home or I run errands and do what I need to do. Until I take a shower about, I don't know, 6 o'clock maybe at night, I can still smell this oil. And if you put the balm and the oil together, it lasts even longer. Because one time I went out to go watch a basketball game when I had this in, and it literally lasts from 7 a.m. to about 9 p.m. And that's absolutely fantastic because you will not want to stop smelling this scent because it is tremendous. So that's another plus for me when the scent lasts a long time, and this certainly lasts a long time. So we'll get into the balm. It's a 2-ounce balm. Logo's the same. I absolutely love it. And what I like about his balm, if you watch any of my other videos, I like a balm where you don't smell the butters in the wax, where you can smell the scent of the essential oils and stuff and the scent that you want to smell. And that's absolutely fantastic to me. And that's what I get. I don't smell any wax at all. But let me tell you, I know there's wax in here, and I'll read the ingredients in a second, because the hold on this is absolutely amazing. It's about a medium to thick hold for me personally. So I think probably for everyone it's a little bit probably more than a medium hold, and that's absolutely amazing. I like the medium holds. Smells awesome. I've only used it a little bit, especially in the summer. I live in South Florida. I try not to use too many bombs because, you know, it's not even worth it. It just, the heat and everything, the humidity, it's not even worth it sometimes. I've used this a couple times. You can see a little bit of a yellow tint. It's absolutely amazing. And something else I love about this, look at that. This is batch number 27, can of 5 of 26. That's absolutely amazing that he puts that on there. I truthfully wish that more companies would do that if they're able to, but not everyone's able to, you know, I understand. But that's absolutely amazing. So let's get into the ingredients. We got shea butter, cocoa butter, white beeswax, bayberry wax, that's a new one on me, almond oil, avocado oil, rice bran oil, hazelnut oil, hemp seed oil, apricot oil, castor oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, vitamin E, and his luxurious essential blend, which is very luxurious and, might I say, tremendous. So I encourage you to check out his products for the great price point that it is. 15 bucks for both of these. 15. That's absolutely amazing. The quality is top notch. This is Matt approved, just so everyone knows. Matt approves of this, and you will too, I guarantee it. And what kind of labeling is that? That labeling is awesome. Look at that logo, and it's got that old school feel to it, and that's tremendous. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to be the first to see Beard Talk with Matt. Leave a comment down below and like the video if you liked it. Until next time, see ya, bearded brothers.